So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Samsung Galaxy phone not charging after 80%. So first of all, open the app drawer on your phone and now open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and then tap on device care. Now here, you will see these options: battery, storage, memory and app protection. From all these options, tap on battery. Now here, you will see this option called battery protection. Tap on it. Now as you can see here, battery protection is enabled and it is set to maximum. So here maximum means the battery will stop charging when the phone reaches 80%. So to fix the issue, either select basic or disable this toggle. So this is how you can fix Samsung Galaxy phone not charging after 80%. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.